Hey everyone, so we're starting this week's vlog on the weekend, and I'm starting out washing some hair that I bought to get my hair done. I'm not able to just buy hair and wear it, which is probably also contributing to the fact that I haven't been doing my hair as often. I have to wash the hair. My skin breaks out, my scalp itches, and so I have to do that. So this is me doing that. This is not a jug for my kitchen, so don't come for me, okay? It's a hair jug that I normally use, but yeah, that's how we're starting out this week.
Tried to make it right. Cigarette. No, I never smoke, but my heart is broke, explosive. Stressing for that old thing back. That initial love, all the goosebumps, those flutters in my gut, turn into disgust. What a waste of love, babe. I just wanna go back to how it was, lay in each other's arms all day. Send me gifts just because. Tell me where we went wrong. Started out as homies, ended up as lovers. How'd it get so ugly? Can't we rediscover, baby, what it was? Or let's be honest, it was just a lover. You were so romantic, we were picture perfect. So much freaking passion, why we never got it back, babe? It was just a lover. Really wish you didn't push me away. I was willing to try, long as it takes. I would never say we were a mistake, but fleeting romance doesn't a lifetime make. That initial love, all the goosebumps, those flutters in my gut, turn into disgust. What a waste of love, babe. I just wanna go back to how it was, baby. Lay in each other's arms all day. Send me gifts just because it's Tuesday. Tell me where we went wrong. Started as fantasy, ended as enemies. How'd it get so ugly? Can't we rediscover, baby, what it was? Or let's be honest, it was just a lover. You were so romantic, we were picture perfect. So much freaking passion, why we never got it back, babe? If you miss me, just say that, babe. Lover, I don't deserve what you put me through, so you don't deserve one more chance. It's true.
Guys, I got a nice little lay on the hair.
I still miss you.
That's what I thought before I come out of the bathroom. So, yeah, there's that.
You have to go flat and you have to go past you.
We can't keep that was what,
girl,
2 minutes?
Style you want, girl, your style you got to do.
That was 2 minutes and the ear has fit out. I can't keep on a press yours. Might as well go cream the ear.
Girl, your style you want, girl, your style you got to do.
Anyway, at least me can do this. This,
Thank you.
I thank you. So me go stay till the ear style done, because even having it down is annoying.
So what hold on it here?
Nothing, literally nothing.
No product at all?
None at all.
Had to brush out the curl.
See, apparently me don't even know. Apparently me don't even know how to brush it right. I don't know if you curl it right, but I don't know if you brush it right.
You have to use this hard brush down here only.
Today we just had a quick Costco run. And I do mean quick because we have plans. I don't hear song. I don't hear song. I think maybe this one. We're gonna go for brunch at an orchard / winery in Lumsden today. I've been wanting to check it out, and we're gonna go do that today. So we're trying to, finish everything that we're doing and go.
Hi, vlog.
Hi from the little one. And guys, you like my hair?
And
It's
you
gonna be
like
in the
my
vlog,
hair? You like my hair?
I should get rid of Phoebe. Only five.
Get rid of who?
Phoebe.
Taking just be. Don't take it. Taking just don't be. And live my life. Don't take it personal. I ain't lying. I ain't hiding. I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check. Take it.
Pretty though.
Live my life on screen. Taking time to be.
True, them bad. Don't understand a word, but them a vibe. Nana in love with the people and flowers.
Take it personal. We just building.
It's like a city hangout spot. It's not in there. Oh man, in there to me a jiggle.
The moments you live in, yeah. You got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus.
So at the beginning of the year, I talked about how I struggled with my love for vlogging and actually vlogging. And I was gonna do some different things, but I just decided, you know what, I'm gonna throw myself into this because I love it. I'm just going to give it my all, give it my energy, and invest in my hobby. So I've purchased some new equipment, and that includes this Mount Dog lighting kit. I think it will help me create better quality sit-down videos, which I'm planning to do more of. I'm also thinking it will help me to do more of those cleaning and organizing videos that I want to do, and I'm just so excited. I have read this book earlier this year called A 12-Week Year, and I'm going to be following that plan as well. I'll update you all at some point on what I plan to do, but you already know that I struggled with some things, including my daughter in the videos. She really just did not like to see the family without her, and so I've had a change of heart with that. But I really think that this is just one step in the new direction, and I hope you all enjoy it and you come with me.
I don't wanna be crazy no more. Every time I think you're gonna walk out of my door, I start to jump to the conclusion you don't love me no more. Babe, give me some to work with, can you just reassure?
going to Dollarama. And the goal tonight is, what are we buying?
Mouse.
One mouse.
One wireless mouse.
Oh, you got I want no. Oh, I want
And
kitchen
No
aids.
fun
You know what
stuff.
me talking?
I want mouse me ear, you know.
Yeah.
And the eyebrow pencil for you.
No.
No more the back eyebrow pencil from over shoppers.
No, we're not going in choppers.
Over shoppers
We're not going
I
in
don't want eyebrow
shoppers.
pencil over there.
All right, so
Pick,
it's just...
choose and refuse.
So the goal is to go into Dollarama and buy only what we say we're going to buy.
Oh, yes.
And don't spend any other money. Because that has not been our experience. We'll go to Dollarama for one thing and come out with
One grocery bag.
one grocery bag for them.
Try our best to not buy anything that is not required. You see what you got?
Because of the wrong husband. Yes, it's my one.
She said she want this.
These are the mouse?
Yes.
You make a pair black.
So what kind of color mouse you want?
White.
Black and
Light
something.
up, light up.
Yes.
What kind of something and
So nice
something
same
more
thing? Nice same thing? Same price? This I say, come here, Miss.
Eh? Eh? Shandean. Thank you.
You see how you did strong outside? You see your mouth did strong outside?
This can use from a computer.
Why not?
I mean,
I don't know if it come with this something, with something, with something.
the thing,
Which way?
this,
No, if you don't see, no.
Here, can I have this?
read and tell me.
This says multicolor backlit optical tracking. It looks like it have wire. Look. A wire.
Well, I like it because it's, yeah, it light up like, I like. But then, the next wireless mouse, then I like.
It's not very good, like it's not very big, but travel bag saved my life the other day when I was traveling, so now I'm looking at them everywhere I go. And this one's for $2.50. I mean, it can bring some underwear. Whenever we go into Dollarama, it's always the kitchen section that gets me. But today I don't have my purse, so I'm looking at cute mugs, and you're gonna look with me. Look at all the cute little mugs. As soon as I have some space in my house where I can buy all the things I want, problem in the camp.
I don't wanna be crazy no more. Every time I think you're gonna walk out of my door, I start to jump to the conclusion you don't love me no more. Babe, give me some to work with, can you just reassure me? I'll end it before it starts. Call it protecting my heart. Hurt disguised as strength, but it's self-sabotage my love. Self-sabotage my love. Cause of my own pain.
And as we leave Dollarama, you would have seen come over here if you spend $5 and then spend $50. You see? You see? And I was not the instigator. Them did I do the most, but if me not come and whatever, no. Them not buy me no pencil.
We come back cash. No, we don't know over this. I can't figure out everything.
Me can't get my eyebrow pencil. Me can't get me. What you mean? But see, it wasn't me. I was not the instigator.
Let this know if you don't see. No man, believe me, no, Regina is nice.
Nice. What?
Regina is nice. Regina.
Say that again.
Regina is nice.
Like rice.
I tell you, believe me, Regina is
Regina's nice.
nice. Talking truthfully from my heart. Yeah. I like it.
Okay, imagine when
I like it.
What's nice?
I like it, yeah.
When
That's
you
why
go
we're
around
going to
the
come
road.
out more often. Yeah.
Yeah.
Restaurants and malls, because you got to meet the man up there, man. Yeah.
She determined.
No.
She determined. Your face look like that. She determined bad.
Because I wish I could.